Again, Phil Wilson here, Mark's Real Pro Sound Guy Store, Montana. This is Mark's Wollensak out of Minnesota. Okay, Mark, we're going to be doing, this is a 3 3/4 pre-recorded tape for 400 head games, and we're going to be playing a song from here, and we're going to go through some features and show you how the amp is working. This is all self-contained. We have nothing coming in or coming out of this unit except for the internal amps and the speakers playing right now. So let's go ahead and play this song. We'll show you instant stop. We'll show you the amps working independently and everything. We have the headset to A where they should be for a stereo playback. Okay, we'll just go right to it. So just hit start. Alright, song will start in a minute here. This is your instant stop. It engages when play is there. You'll see it buries itself, and then when you go to play, catches up there. That's your instant stop. It's working good. Sounds pretty good. Now we're going to turn off each channel and then test each channel one at a time. This is going to be your left side coming out of here. Nice and strong at 5, 4, 7, 8, 9, the right side, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. Okay, now balance tone, bass. That's bass, needs more volume. We're just getting bass. High 5. Has its own little characteristic sound on all 4 of these features. Treble. Again, balance. Instant stop. Instant stop. There you go. Now let's listen to the same song when we put in the amplifier. And that was just these cheap little speakers that's sitting inside here right now. Sounds a lot better when you got it through your amp. Stop. Alright, I'll see you in the next video when we got the amp plugged in. We'll listen to that same song. See you then.